Google just made taking meetings in your car much safer and easier for Android users. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google Meet has integrated with Android Auto. Google has now baked native meeting controls right into your car's infotainment screen, so you don't have to fumble with your phone while driving. But getting started to use this takes time. First, make sure your Meet app is updated. Then connect your phone to your car and tap the dedicated Meet icon that appears in your car's app launcher. Here you'll see the new interface split into two tabs: Scheduled and History. Scheduled tab syncs with your calendar and displays any upcoming meetings you have so you can join with one tap. Meanwhile, the History tab lets you easily dial recent contacts. Perhaps the best part of this is the handoff feature. If you're already in a meeting on your phone while getting into your car, plugging in or connecting wirelessly automatically moves the audio and control to your car system. Likewise, once you park and disconnect, meeting controls instantly switch back to your phone so you keep up with your team. Google has heavily modified the app by keeping it strictly audio only. On Android Auto, you can see video feeds of your coworkers, and you won't be able to view shared presentations on screen recordings either. In fact, even interactive elements like polls or chats have been disabled to keep your eyes on the road. The only controls you're getting are absolute essentials, like muting or unmuting your mic and hanging up. However, if you absolutely need to see visuals of the meeting, Google's safety parameters dictate that you'll need to pull over, put your car in park, and then switch back to Google Meet phone app. This offers a functional yet responsible way to stay connected at work without sacrificing your safety. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.